Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The shopping experience at the Cosmopolitan reflects the resort's overall personality, modern, curated, and geared towards contemporary style. Instead of a massive shopping mall filled with dozens of stores, the Cosmopolitan focused on smaller, specialized boutiques that align with its fashionable, urban-inspired identity. The first major retail zone is the shops at the Cosmopolitan, located along the resort's interior walkways. These boutiques offer a mix of apparel, accessories, and luxury items, each chosen to complement the resort's high-end aesthetic. Rather than relying on mainstream brands, the Cosmopolitan tends to highlight unique, trend-driven labels and specialty products that appeal to visitors seeking something different from traditional strip retail offerings. One of the standout features is Stitched, known for upscale menswear, tailored clothing and accessories. Nearby, guests can find designer women's fashion boutiques, jewelry stores and curated lifestyle shops that sell modern decor and travel-focused goods. This approach keeps the shopping experience intimate and personalized, rather than overwhelming. Dining and retail often merge within the resort's layout. Many of the shops are positioned near popular restaurants, lounges, and the chandelier bar, allowing the spaces to flow naturally from one into the next. This creates a unified environment where guests can browse, dine, and explore without feeling separated from the energy of the resort. The Cosmopolitan also features creative pop-up retail, which changes seasonally. These temporary storefronts bring in new designers, specialized products, or limited-time collaborations, adding variety to the shopping district and aligning with the resort's emphasis on innovation. Beyond traditional retail, the Cosmopolitan integrates art into its shopping corridors. Digital installations and framed contemporary pieces line the walkways, contributing to the resort's gallery-like appearance. These elements enhance the shopping atmosphere and reinforce the Cosmopolitan's reputation for creativity. Overall, shopping at the Cosmopolitan is less about quantity and more about identity. The boutiques, pop-ups, and curated selections reflect a resort that positions itself as stylish, youthful, and modern. It offers a retail experience designed to match its artistic and contemporary vibe, making it a distinctive stop within the broader Las Vegas retail scene.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.